Hello friends, today I would like to talk about the phrase stop and smell the roses. I saw this phrase many times but I didn't know the meaning of it. I thought that it is just all about flowers and nature. But today when I sit down to draw roses, suddenly that phrase popped up in my mind. Then I searched for the meaning and realized it is not just about flowers. It is a great reminder to pay attention to the small things in our surroundings which give us joy. The meaning is to relax, to take time out of one's busy life, busy schedule, to enjoy or appreciate the beauty of life. After knowing the meaning of this beautiful phrase, I became more aware of the things around me. Those may seem small but give great joy, and I am being grateful for having them. Whenever I see roses or any picture of them, it reminds me to slow down. It makes me be in the present moment. What about you, friends? Do you know this phrase? What are your feelings? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel How to Draw Step by Step. Thank you very much. Bye bye.